Welcome to Tech Research. If you update iOS 27 Beta 2, what is the new of this Beta 2? Let's start. First of all, if you want update 27 Beta 2 11.67 GB space. Afterwards, personally I update in 9th of June to till now I am facing the problem like indexing in a process. After updating this one, my problem is gone. And if I open here my settings, so indexing process problem is 100% fixed. So first feature we are receiving this one. Next one, if you open here Apple Siri, so inside the Apple Siri here the request, previously this one is talking option is showing here, but now is coming as a request, like you can say like a Siri or Hey Siri or off or press this button and activate the Siri like this, pressing this button. Next one, if you scroll down here, so Siri app open to, if you want activate Apple Siri, so here previously this open to option is not showing, but if you tap here recent conversation, you can continue with that or always open Siri to new conversation, depend upon which requirement you have. Keep conversation features they are introducing 30 days, 1 year or forever. I personally use in forever. If you scroll down here, one feature is available here, Apple Intelligent. What is the new of this Apple Intelligent? It's really amazing. Tackle on these features, and I just simply go here photo section, and if I just simply screenshot this one, ask something, so I just simply round up this shoes and the shoes related features we are receiving here. The video, Amazon, it's really impressive. You just simply search here in this particular bag, so where is available, what is the name of this bag, brand, so all feature is automatically displaying here. If you search here this motorcycle, accordingly you can very easily find out anything using these features very fast way. Previously also available, tap there and then the features is activated, but now you just simply round up and see the feature. Massive upgrade in Siri application. Second thing, if you click here in app section, I just simply say here open here and look at this here, without permission here write with Siri option is available. Previously here is some free text is coming. If I type here hi, so some text is also coming, but here Apple Siri is also available. If you tap here, so you just simply ask anything and then Apple Siri is always activated here. This is the really amazing. This feature available on everywhere in where you type in text. Hello, it's me research rocks. Still here is available Apple Siri. So that one is really amazing. They are massive upgrade on this feature. Second and most important part here, if I take a screenshot, previously the cropping feature is not available. If you crop something, you always save entire image, but now if I crop here specific image or which portion I want to select, if I save this one in photo gallery and if I go back here in the photo gallery, so the crop image only save in the crop. That would be the really impressive features they are introducing. And apart from that, massive bug they are solve the problem. Your iPhone are working very fast way, especially on Apple Siri upgrade and impressive features. So accordingly you should update beta version, and most of upgrade you are receiving related on Apple Siri AI related features. If you have any question, you can ask me on comment section. Before leaving, please share this video and subscribe our YouTube channel Tech Research. Till then, Jai Hind, Vande Mataram.